Hi, this is a very quick cake recipe, and yeah, there I've melted my butter mixed with the sugar and eggs. I used 3 eggs. I think I'll be listing the ingredients in the video there. So yeah, that's the mixture. I added in the milk. This time around I decided to melt the butter. Yeah, so that's how it's looking. And then I think this time around melting the butter was much better than what I was using before. Yeah, so that's how it's looking. um yeah, so this was very quick. I didn't record everything. Yeah, so we're going to go like that. You get it? So I'll be telling you where I missed to record. I'll be telling you what I added. So that's me trying to break my chocolate. I have some chocolate bars, so I was trying to break them into small pieces. Yeah, and then on the other hand, I came this side, added in my flour. Yeah, I'll also be putting for you the quantity that I used. This was a small cake. Yeah, so I mixed it. As I told you, today I wasn't feeling well, so I was trying to make a cake for my baby. Yeah, since it was his birthday, I wanted to make something very quick. But surprisingly, this cake came out very nice compared to the cakes I've been making previously. So yeah, that's my chocolate. Sorry, yeah, that's the chocolate. I melted it. So I came back, added in a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Yeah, I added in 1.5. Yeah, I think I didn't show you, I didn't record that video, but then I first added in my baking powder. So we continued mixing. Yeah, that's the mixture. And I think here I had already added in, no, I didn't add in that. Yeah, so I grated some lemon. Yeah, those are the lemon peelings, to maybe add on the flavor. Yeah, so I got my baking tin as usual. I got the baking tin, and you know, I I smeared it with some oil. Yeah, that's me adding in the mixture. Sorry. Yeah. So I'll be showing you more videos of how the birthday went, though I didn't ice my cake. Yeah. So I added in my melted chocolate into the other mixture because I divided it into two. So one was vanilla. That's the one that I put first. I first put in my vanilla mixture, then the other chocolate mixture. Yeah, so I added it to the vanilla mixture, and yeah, you see, whoa. You see how it's looking, and I think it's already looking yummy. So I finished that, and yeah, we mix it very well. And then I was trying to design my cake. Yeah, I wanted to mix the chocolate so that it's not concentrated in one place. So I wanted to make a little bit of designs. So that's how it went. I think I tried. Yeah, I tried to be artistic, but so these are the 2 cupcakes that I was trying out. I've never made cupcakes. Yeah, so I was just trying out, and that's how the cake came out finally. So that's how it looked. It was, by the way, it's one of a kind. I think I've never made such a cake. Yeah, so look at that.
What?
The cake. Look at that. Honestly. Look at that cake. Oh my god, this cake, but it's very, very different from the cakes I've been making. Look, it was soft. It was, these wedding cakes that people make for you, you know. So yeah, that's me slicing it for the birthday boy. Look at that, guys. Look at it. I want you to rate it with the cakes I've been making. You see, I just love everything about it, everything. Yeah, I had to slice it again. Yeah, so the birthday boy was tasting the cake. Hey, the birthday boy is tasting, you see? Yeah, you see. Check that. That's what we call baking, you know? Yes. You can imagine we ate this cake within an hour. Yeah, so be sure you give more videos, guys. Yeah, so I didn't forget to serve him with my homemade wine. Yeah, that's my wine. It's homemade, purely homemade. I think I'll make you a video of how to make wine. Yeah, as long as you don't forget to subscribe, I'll be making more videos for you people. Because my people, what should I do? So I served him with some good wine. Yeah, I reached the time I had to give in my gifts, and I decided to buy him some chocolates because he loves chocolates. He's a chocolate lover, actually. Yeah, so there we're fighting for them. Give me some. No, I won't. Give me some. I won't. Wait, hey, I'm the birthday boy. Yeah, so but I hope he liked it. Yeah, and then those were the shoes I ordered for him. I ordered for him some good shoes. Yeah, and I guess, yeah, actually he loved them because he really liked them even before, so I had to look for them. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Mwah.